Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country here with a 2022 Ford F-350 Tremor. Now at first glance this truck may look black, but it is actually Ford's antimatter blue, a beautiful deep dark blue. Now Rough Country is based in Dyersburg, Tennessee, just a short distance from the New Madrid fault line, so we know a thing or two about tremors. Let's talk about what we did to this F-350 Tremor. Now from the factory it has a substantial rake to the front. We took care of that with our 3-inch Tremor kit. Now this kit consists of a spacer that raises the lower coil seat off the axle, as well as our N3 shocks and radius arm relocation brackets. Adding that lift allowed us to get rid of the Tremor's already large 35-inch tall tire and replace it with a 37. In this case, we've got a BFG 37125017 mounted on a Method Racing MR703. Now the Tremor looks great in this form, but we've just begun with our Tremor specific accessories. So be sure to check us out at roughcountry.com, whether you have a truck, Jeep, SUV, or side-by-side.